Welcome to part two and welcome to a day of organizing all these mess. I'm really super excited to just organize the entire shelf because it's just a huge mess and I'm not able to even just use my art supplies as usual because of this mess. So let's organize it together. We have all these organizing things or organizing tools I got from Journal Say shop, and I'm really super excited to just fill the entire thing with my art supplies. The wooden thing here, these little homes, are actually this one are actually not from the Journal Say, but I will just change the entire thing. So as my room is also my working space, now my bed is full of my art supplies and also the floor too. And I'm done. Everything is completely organized right now, and I'm super excited to just like start using my art supplies again. It's been a while since I used them because it's been really not organized at all. I couldn't really use my art supplies well. So now everything is organized and sorted. Now I can just like back to use them. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed the video today. And let me know if you just like think you would love to see more of my art supplies and how I use them maybe, or just like anything related to my art supplies. Just let me know if you have any questions and I will be answering them. See you in my next video. Bye.